Personally, I hate riding with a backpack, so a few months ago I got these bags, and honestly they're too good not to talk about. So today I'm going to be giving a quick review of the Nelson-Rigg RG-020 saddlebags, the best luggage on a budget. These bags are available for 220 Australian dollars, which although is still a little bit pricey, the features and the quality for this price make it worth it in my opinion. The soft luggage system is designed to be a universal fit for all dual sport motorcycles, which is another big plus for me. No matter what bike you've got, these should fit. Each bag has 12 to 15 litres of storage, which we'll get into later, and are made from a strong ballistic nylon. Although this makes them very sturdy and durable, which is essential when you're bush bashing, it is important to know that these bags aren't 100% waterproof and are only water resistant. But I have ridden through rain with these and my luggage has been completely dry. The benefit to having soft luggage is its pack down size. The bags pack down so small that it's not a problem storing them when I'm not using them. Installing and removing these bags is an extremely easy and straightforward process. First thing you do is place them on the rear of your bike and then line them up where you want them to sit. These small metal hooks then attach to the rear fender, keeping it in place. I have heard that these hooks don't work for newer KTMs, but I believe they offer different hooks to fix that problem. After tightening these hooks down, the straps in the middle can be separated to give you more control over where the bags sit. On each side there are these straps that you wrap around the frame of your bike to give the bags some more support. And that's it, the bags are on. I just love how easy these are to take on and off. They do sit a little loose, however they're definitely not going to come off your bike. Now we can get into the features of the bags. As I said before, each bag is 12 litres, however they can be expanded with these zippers that give you an extra 3 litres of storage. This is great for when you're packing light and you want to keep the bag slim, or when you need to haul a lot of luggage and you need that extra space. They also have these easily accessible double velcro pockets on the bag with some reflective strips that make you a bit more visible when you're riding at night. These pockets are great for storing anything you need quick access to, like tools or your phone and wallet. The bags also have these compression straps which allow you to squish your luggage down just to make it a bit smaller. Probably my favourite thing about these saddlebags are the small D-rings you have on the top and the sides. You can use these to strap things down to your bike and are great for attaching any additional bags. I was actually planning on buying a rear rack for this bike, but after buying these, I don't think I need to anymore. These bags are so low profile but also offering so much space. Sitting on the bike you don't even notice that they're there. With more luggage on the top however, I do find myself having to sit a little bit more forward than I usually do just because my bike isn't big enough. Now, how do these bags feel when you're actually riding? Having all that weight off your back is so freeing and comfortable, although you do feel the extra weight on the rear of your bike. On long stretches you don't really notice it, but once you slow down and get to the technical stuff, it does take some getting used to, at least for me. This place is about an hour's highway commute from where I live, and at high speeds these bags held on great. So let's talk about what I've actually packed. Strapped to the top here, I've got a bag with clothes and other junk for when I'm done riding. And I've also got a camera tripod. Super easy to attach and super secure. In my right bag, I've packed some camera equipment and I've also got some basic tools if I have to do any repairs. In the other bag, I've got some audio equipment, some water and some snacks, as well as a small socket set. By the way, all these zippers are rubber coated so there's no issues when using them with gloves. Overall, these bags are great. They aren't completely waterproof and they may sit a little loose for some riders, but the universal fit, the storage options and the many features make them worth the money in my eyes. The only other options I'd consider would be the Giant Loop Mojave bags or the Wolfman E12 bags, but even then, the Nelson-Rigg bags cost a fraction of the price and are just so good. Definitely worth it. So there you go. If you're looking to take that weight off your back when hitting the trails or need some luggage for those longer trips, I'd go with the Nelson-Rigg saddlebags. They're cheap, durable and spacious, ticking all the boxes. Ride safe.